Template. So everything that comes in the, well, these are the screws and the hooks that come in the packaging. The wall anchors and everything. And this is the actual item. And it probably locks it into place. So you pull on it and it comes right back. Yep. Comes right back. Okay. Okay. So this locks it. So when you pull it, this is as far as you want to be, you lock it and it stays there. See? Okay. But if you want it to retract, clothes rods are too short for my hole where I'm going to set up the clothes hanging lines. So I had to purchase 2 of them and actually going to connect them together. The lines of the clothes rod are only 12 feet long. They only stretch to 12 feet. My hole is 15 feet long, so it's 3 feet short. So I figured, you know what? Let me set it up this way. All right, I'm going to use Velcro to connect the ends together. That's the Velcro straps. All right, let's see if they work. Woo! That was a hard hit. I shouldn't have done that. Okay, let me fix this. All right, that's the setup. Let me hang some clothes, see if it's, you know, could withstand the weight. The reason I'm doing this is my building is a machine wash building. They have machines downstairs, and I use the machines, but I hate drying my clothes in the dryer. I find that the clothing wear and tear more when you dry them. It's very convenient, but my clothing lasts longer when I hang them in the apartment once they're washed and I bring them up. So I like doing this. And plus the fact that I can take the Velcro off and nobody even know what this is hanging on the wall. Perfect. It's holding up all the clothing. It works just like I expected. I am very happy with my purchase. Okay. Thank you. Bye.